Hey, Strathmore Lucas here again from Strathmore Dodge with another video walk around. This is our 2011 Dodge Journey RT Mechanic Special. You certify, you save. This vehicle is in a dark red, 18-inch alloys. Being an RT, it does have your full leather interior. Large bolstering on these seats, automatic transmission, 4-inch display, dual zone climate control, it does have the leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth cruise control, automatic headlights. Coming to the back seat, 60/40 split, cup holders that come down. You've got tri-zone air, actually, air control in the back. It does have a sunroof as well, power outlets on the bottom. Coming around to the back here, it is a 7-passenger. You've got 2 flip-up seats there. Vehicle's in decent condition overall. There is some mechanic work that needs to be done with it as far as the suspension goes. We are selling this as a value unit. We're happy to send you the AMVIC report and the car proof report. If you're interested in a vehicle like this or something similar, you can email me Lucas@strathmoredodge.com.